Hello and welcome to Insurance Institute for Business and Home Safety's benefits presentation for 2020. At IBHS, we are committed to offering a comprehensive employee benefits program that helps our employees stay healthy, feel secure, and maintain a proper work-life balance. With this in mind, choosing the best insurance options for you and your family is one of the most important decisions you can make. This presentation will give an overview of our benefits program and provide the resources you need should you have any questions. Today, we will be talking about benefit eligibility and resources, medical plans, health savings accounts, flexible spending accounts, telemedicine, dental coverage, vision coverage, basic and voluntary life insurance, short and long-term disability insurance, long-term care, and an employee assistance program. You are eligible for benefits on the first of the month following your date of hire as a regular full-time employee. You may also elect coverage for your dependents, and in some circumstances, your children may be eligible to be covered on the medical, dental, and vision plans up to age 30. In addition, IBHS employees have access to insurance representatives at GCD Insurance Consultants to answer questions about enrollment, coverage, claims, and all other areas regarding your employee benefit package covered in this overview. GCD representatives are trained professionals who understand your benefits plan and are dedicated to providing solutions to your problems. Let's get started with your medical coverage. Employees may enroll in one of two point-of-service plans administered by Cigna. Each plan was designed to meet your healthcare needs. However, you may feel one plan is more suited for you depending on your individual circumstances. Both plans offer comprehensive coverage for services such as physician office visits, urgent and emergency care, hospitalization, prescriptions, and more. Please refer to the summary of benefits and coverage or call a GCD representative if you have specific questions on what is covered. Most services on the OAP 500 plan, which we refer to as the copay plan, are covered with a copay, which is a set dollar amount such as $20 for a primary care or specialty care physician office visit. For more significant services such as a hospital admission, you are responsible for paying a deductible of $500 per individual in your family with a maximum of 2 deductibles per family. Once your deductible has been met, you pay 20% of the additional charges until your total out-of-pocket costs reach $2,500 in the calendar year. The total out-of-pocket maximum for families on the copay plan is $5,000 per calendar year. On the high-deductible OAP 1500 HSA plan, which we refer to as the HSA plan, you are responsible for paying Cigna's negotiated contracted rate for all services until you meet your individual deductible of $1,500. Employees enrolled with one or more dependents are responsible for a family deductible of $3,000. Once you have satisfied the individual or family deductible on the HSA plan, you only pay copays for prescriptions. You are covered at 100% for all other services once you satisfy your individual or family deductible. You will continue to pay the prescription copays until you satisfy the plan's out-of-pocket maximum of $3,000 or $6,000 per calendar year for individuals and families, respectively. In addition, enrollment in the HSA plan makes you eligible to open a health savings account, which we will discuss more in a moment. So which plan is right for you? The following are important steps to take and questions to ask before making your plan selection. Review your current medical expenses. How do you normally use your medical plan? How did you use the plan last year? How much do you spend in office visit and prescription copays? What is the difference in payroll deductions? Enrollment in the high-deductible plan allows you to be enrolled in a health savings account, which is commonly referred to as an HSA. An HSA is a tax-favored savings account that individuals can use like a checking account to pay for qualified health, dental, and vision expenses. Any contributions you make to your HSA will lower your taxable income and then can be used for qualified expenses. In addition, tax on any interest earned on your contributions is deferred. One of the most important features of an HSA is that unused money rolls over from year to year. In order to help provide for your financial security, IBHS will automatically open a health savings account for you through Optum Bank and make an annual deposit of $1,275 for individuals and $2,550 if you are enrolled with a spouse and/or children. You may also make contributions to your HSA with a pre-tax deduction, which helps to lower the tax paid on your income. The total maximum contributions to health savings accounts in 2020 is $3,550 for individuals and $7,100 for those covering dependents. Employees who are 55 or older are also eligible to contribute an additional $1,000. IRS rules prevent individuals from opening or contributing to an HSA if they are enrolled in a non-HSA eligible health insurance plan, such as the copay plan, or are participating in a health flexible spending account. Enrollment in Medicare or Medicaid also disqualifies you from contributing to a health savings account. IBHS is pleased to continue a flexible spending account for the 2020 benefit year. Much like an HSA, an FSA allows individuals to pay for certain expenses with tax-free dollars. An FSA allows an employee to set aside pre-tax income for qualified medical, dental, and vision expenses or dependent care expenses. Just like an HSA, any contributions made to an FSA will lower your taxable income by that amount. It is important to note that unlike an HSA, only up to $500 of unused contributions will roll over into the next plan year. In 2020, individuals are eligible to set aside up to $2,750 for health expenses, while they can set aside up to $5,000 for dependent care expenses. It's important to note that you are not eligible to participate in the health care account portion of an FSA if you or your spouse are actively contributing to a health savings account. However, employees with an HSA can still take advantage of the benefits of the Dependent Care Account section of the FSA. Now, let's talk about the rest of your benefits program. Do you feel sick but don't have time to make an appointment with your doctor or go to an urgent care center? The telemedicine benefit through TeleDoc provides convenient access for non-emergent medical care through a national network of board-certified physicians who are available through a phone call or video conference. Consults are provided at no cost, and the physicians are able to prescribe medications for non-chronic illnesses. You can use your health insurance benefit to help pay for the cost of any medications that are prescribed. Register now at teledoc.com to request a consult to help you or your family feel better quickly. IBHS offers comprehensive dental and vision benefits through United Healthcare. On these plans, you can use any dentist or optometrist. To maximize your coverage, we encourage you to use a dentist or optometrist participating in United Healthcare's network, as your out-of-pocket costs will increase when services are received by a non-participating provider. The dental plan has an annual maximum of $2,250 per person and 100% coverage for preventative services, fillings, root canals, as well as gum disease treatment, provided you use a dentist within United Healthcare's network. In addition, orthodontia is a covered benefit for dependent children. The United Healthcare Vision Plan provides an annual eye exam at in-network provider for $10, and frames, glass lenses, and contact lenses are covered with a copay or at a substantial discount. Dentists and optometrists participating in United Healthcare's network can be found at www.myuhc.com. IBHS gives all employees a basic life and accidental death and dismemberment insurance benefit through Mutual of Omaha of 1 times your annual earnings up to a maximum of $300,000. To assist with your family planning needs, employees are also eligible to enroll in an optional life and AD&D benefit in $10,000 increments up to 5 times your salary or $300,000, whichever is less. This benefit is paid for by employees. When you are first hired, you are eligible to enroll in up to $100,000 of optional life insurance coverage with no questions asked. Coverage in excess of $100,000 or that is applied for a later date will require you to provide evidence of good health. Additional life and AD&D coverage may be purchased by the employees for spouses or dependent children. You may also change your beneficiary at any time, and it is a good idea to review this information annually as your circumstances may have changed. In addition to the telemedicine and basic life insurance benefits, IBHS also provides short and long-term disability insurance at no cost to you. Disability insurance helps to provide financial security by giving you a source of income in the event you have an illness or injury which prevents you from being able to perform the duties of your job. The short-term disability plan will pay you 60% of your weekly income up to a maximum of $1,000 per week after you are disabled due to an illness or non-occupational injury. This benefit begins on the 8th day after your disability starts and will continue for up to 12 weeks as long as you remain disabled. The long-term disability plan pays you 60% of your monthly income up to a maximum of $10,000 per month starting on the 91st day after you are disabled due to an illness or injury. Your long-term disability benefit will continue until you are Social Security normal retirement age, as long as you remain disabled. Long-term care is another benefit provided at no cost to employees. This benefit is designed to help reduce the out-of-pocket costs associated with individuals who require long-term care, including home care, assisted living, hospice, and more. The IBHS provided base benefit will reimburse you for expenses of up to $2,000 a month for up to 3 years. However, employees can purchase additional coverage by increasing the monthly benefit by up to $6,000 or by increasing the benefit period up to 6 years. Evidence of good health is required before additional coverage is approved. Family members of employees are eligible for coverage through this policy as well. Employees also have the option of enrolling in a variety of plans through AFLAC, which help to offset some of the costs associated with your other coverage. The AFLAC plans include cancer care, accident advantage, hospital advantage, and critical care. Please contact Human Resources if you are interested in learning more about the AFLAC plans. When it is difficult to cope with problems, we often turn to family or friends for support. Unfortunately, sometimes that is not enough. Sometimes we need the ear of an experienced professional, one who will keep our concerns confidential and help guide us in the right direction. Mutual of Omaha's Employee Assistance Program, EAP, has trained professionals to work with you as you search for solutions to personal and workplace issues. An EAP is a great resource for assistance with issues such as depression, marriage and family matters, financial issues, stress and anxiety, and more. Call the toll-free number at 800-316-2796 or log on to www.mutualofomaha.com/EAP. At IBHS, we are committed to supporting the whole employee and offer a wide variety of high-quality options at affordable rates. GCD Insurance Consultants takes pride in partnering with IBHS to provide exemplary service while assisting you in making the most of your coverage. This concludes our presentation. Please contact Human Resources or a GCD Insurance Consultants representative with any questions you may have.